I don't know where to start from. I This is all about my friend Ravi, and he stays in one of the suburbs in Mumbai in a 3 BHK, along with his wife, who's a homemaker, a daughter 6 years old, and aging parents who stay together in a 3 BHK there. He has an housing loan, of course, of around 2.5 CR, on which he pays an EMI of around 1.8 lakh rupees per month. Has a decent salary, of course, of 3 lakh rupees per month. Has a vehicle EMI as well, car loan, which he pays approximately, I think, 55 to 60,000 rupees per month. It's a brand new SUV that he had bought just last year. And I received a call and he says that, Rajesh, there is a little bit of an issue on my health and I need help. And when he said, मुझे नहीं पता चला, how do I react? I don't know how to react. He said that he had some kidney complications, and he has to undergo dialysis, which probably might cost somewhere around 25 to 30,000 rupees per sitting, as well as maybe if he goes in for a kidney transplant, that's what the doctors might recommend him, might cost him another 10 to 15 lakh rupees. And I really don't know what to do, because parents, of course, with whatever little savings that they had over the years, do not get pensions, of course, are having little bit of an income for themselves. Wife who is a homemaker, daughter who cannot support the family, and he is the only one. And all these years, I have been telling him that he needs to take a health insurance. But somehow I don't know what was holding him back, because working in at a good post, he always used to say, कि कुछ नहीं होना है, I'm insured by my company. Why should I be taking and spending the money from my pocket? And today when I look around, there is so much of insecurity about jobs, and with only one income coming into the family, and with 3 to 4 adults to survive just on that one income, it's not easy. What happens to the daughter's education after that? Isn't the life going to change completely? पूरे पाँव के नीचे से जमीन खिसक गई. And I really don't know what to do. Somewhere down the line, my heart has a sadistic pleasure, but that's not right. The pleasure was because I've been continuously telling that, you need to be insured well, you need to be properly insured, and I had recommended around 25 lakh rupees at that point of time, but he never paid heed to it. And today he is the same one who is coming around to me and seeking help in terms of, if at all, if the need be, can some of our friends come together and raise some money for the family. And it feels sad, because why should you be in that situation in the very first place? Why couldn't you just take a health insurance and be relaxed? What do you expect that his wife would do? Will she go into the bank and break the little bit of FDs that he has, some odd SIP in mutual funds, redeem all of that? Or should they be banking upon their parents' money? The little bit of money that his parents would have saved over the last 30-40 years of the service? Or would they pray to God, stating that do some miracle and take us out of this particular ये दलदल से हमें निकाल लो? What do we do? Or should we tell the doctor that, please waive off the fees? Or should we tell the donor that please don't ask for the money when you donate your kidney? What should be the ideal situation be in this case? I know the answer, but then why didn't Ravi understand that fact? Was it so very difficult for him to understand? And who gave this notion who put this particular notion and points into his mind, stating that यार ऑफिस का इंश्योरेंस है तो I am insured, I don't want anything else at all? वो सब expense है. And how can one ever say that I'm hale and hearty and nothing is going to happen to me? And to top it up, his parents are diabetic. Who's going to take care of all of them? He too is going to be bedridden for some time. And in these kind of situations where we really don't know about our job security, it could be that he could be given a pink slip as well. Who knows? I still remember that when I recommended around 25 lakhs and he said, 25 lakhs? Do I actually need that? And I just had a question mark on my face. Sometimes people feel that we just give them a high number because that is good remuneration for us. But I think, isn't it for this particular situation that we keep recommending these particular things to people? Wasn't it prudent on his part to just pay heed to it and ask me some relevant questions rather than just 25 lakhs and be amazed about that number? कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइफ में. But people do not pay. They feel that we are only there to earn money. Yes, he was my friend, no doubt. He's still my friend, but money is not the criteria. I think wouldn't I have saved his family from all of this rut if at all he would have been insured? And do you know how much would it have costed him? It would have just costed him close around 24,000 rupees per annum. जहाँ पर you are paying 1.8 lakh rupees EMI, 50 to 60,000 rupees of an EMI towards his car, was 24 to 26,000 approximately, was that big an amount to be paid? Was it going to dent his savings to any extent? Answer is no. Then क्यों? Why do people only rely upon the insurance that company has given them? I think, is it worth? Do our family really deserve this from us? Isn't it our duty to secure all their aspirations and dreams, especially when we are the only sole earners in the family? Health is wealth, they say, and in Ravi's case, it is evident. क्या करोगे if something like this hits us? What do you expect the family to do? Who will pay the EMI? Who will take care of the daughter's education? Who will take care of his parents? What's the use staying in a 3 BHK if at all, if some emergencies like this crop up and we are not able to pay up for the bills? So somewhere down the line, I feel health insurance is just not about health insurance. It's just not about health. It's also about preserving your wealth, isn't it? Let us all learn from this example and let's not be in Ravi's shoes anymore. I think it's time that we pay heed towards our health insurance and adequately insure our family as well. They need us, they need our support. And to tell you the fact, it doesn't actually cost us the moon, but it saves us from a lot of those hardships that probably my family might undergo in the near future. Don't you see it in your real life? Don't you see your neighbors? Don't you see your friends? Do you not ever read the newspapers? Do you never understand the gravity of the situation? कि ऐसे हमारे साथ भी कुछ हो सकता है. Why is it that everything bad only happens to my neighbor and can never happen to me? Can you ever go and speak to your wife and say, अगर मुझे ये चीज़ हो जाए, what if something like this happens to me? Do you know how much money do we have in the house? What will you do? I would be there on the hospital bed. But who is going to do the running around? Your parents, aging parents, your daughter who has to go to school regularly, or your wife who has to look after everyone. Do you really expect them to do all of this? Why to make them suffer? Look at the solutions that we are providing you. We are not villains here. We are financial planners. We plan. We are your शुभचिंतक. We are your well-wishers. रवि एक्चुअली अभी पूछता है कि कैन आई टेक ए हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बिकॉज सो एंड सो कॉम्प्लिकेशन आया है, सो इज देयर एनी कंपनी विच विल इंश्योर मी? भाई, यू नीड टू प्लान बिफोर, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इंश्योरेंसेस आर ऑल अबाउट. Just because there is a fire, you can't go out onto the shop and buy a fire extinguisher. Why don't you understand that these are things that one has to be prepared for? Nobody knows. यहाँ लिखा हुआ नहीं है कि आपको क्या होने वाला है. Nobody knows that. When I broke this news to my friends about Ravi's state, and everybody was like stunned. And yes, as friends, we have our responsibility to fulfill, and we will. But the conversation was on a completely different tangent. अरे क्या यार, उसको इतना भी अक्ल नहीं था यार. We would have paid if at all he was under some difficulty in paying premiums. All of that stuff. I think none of these particular reasons were valid enough. It's just that in hindsight we feel at least he should have been insured on this front. अब क्या करेगा वो? What will his family do? I really do not have an answer to this. If you have an answer, please let me know. What would you have done in this situation? Think about it. Guru Gurwar.